Stop scrolling. Learn kitchen English words with this as sentences. Peeler. Peeler. This is a peeler. Rolling pin. Rolling pin. This is a rolling pin. Dish rack. Dish rack. This is a dish rack. Bottle. Bottle. This is a bottle. Saucepan. Saucepan. This is a saucepan. Sieve. Sieve. This is a sieve. Cutlery. Cutlery. This is cutlery. Knife. Knife. This is a knife. Wooden spoon. Wooden spoon. This is a wooden spoon. Spatula. Spatula. This is a spatula. Ladle. Ladle. This is a ladle. Cup and saucer. Cup and saucer. This is a cup and saucer. Pot. Pot. This is a pot. Jug. Jug. This is a jug. Glass. Glass. This is a glass. Baking tray. Baking tray. This is a baking tray. Garlic press. Garlic press. This is a garlic press. Fridge. Fridge. This is a fridge. Kettle. Kettle. This is a kettle. Sponge. Sponge. This is a sponge. Stove. Stove. This is a stove. Sink. Sink. This is a sink. Jar. Jar. This is a jar. Ice tray. Ice tray. This is an ice tray. Lemon squeezer. Lemon squeezer. This is a lemon squeezer. Grater. Grater. This is a grater. Coffee machine. Coffee machine. This is a coffee machine. Colander. Colander. This is a colander. Juicer. Juicer. This is a juicer. Butter knife. Butter knife. This is a butter knife. Cleaver. Cleaver. This is a cleaver. Funnel. Funnel. This is a funnel. Blender. Blender. This is a blender. Corkscrew. Corkscrew. This is a corkscrew. Apron. Apron. This is an apron. Microwave. Microwave. This is a microwave. Bowl. Bowl. This is a bowl. Potato masher. Potato masher. This is a potato masher. Cabinet. Cabinet. This is a cabinet. Frying pan. Frying pan. This is a frying pan. Tinfoil. Tinfoil. This is tinfoil. Cutting board. Cutting board. This is a cutting board. Tray. Tray. This is a tray. Mixer. Mixer. This is a mixer. Toaster. Toaster. This is a toaster. Whisk. Whisk. This is a whisk. Trash can. Trash can. This is a trash can. Teapot. Teapot. This is a teapot. Fork. Fork. This is a fork. Plate. Plate. This is a plate.